Hi, I'm Jamie, Manager of Customer Success here at CloneForce. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to enable a skill for your clone after you've set up a new connection. This is a crucial step to unlocking powerful automation and productivity for your digital teammates. And here's a little incentive. Stick around until the end for one of my favorite tricks of the trade to keep your clones running smoothly. Let's get started. From your main clone dashboard, you'll see a grid of all your clones. Each card displays the clone's name, role, and status. To begin, click on the clone you want to enable the skill on. For this example, I'll select Scott Michael Bogdan. This brings you to the clone's details and chat screen. At the top, you'll see several tabs: Chat, Schedule, Skills, Gallery, and more. Click on the Skills tab to view and manage the skills assigned to this clone. On the Skills tab, you'll see a list of all skills currently enabled for this clone. If you want more information about a skill, just click on it. A detailed description and usage instructions will appear, so you can learn exactly what each skill does. To add a new skill, click the blue Add Skills button in the top right corner. This opens the Add Skills window, where you can browse or search for the skill you want. Type a keyword or skill name in the search bar to quickly find what you're looking for. Some skills can be configured before you add them. Look for the Configure or Configure Optional link next to the skill. Click it if you need to set up parameters or permissions in advance. For skills that require a connection, like Google Docs or Salesforce, you'll see a drop-down to select the appropriate connection. Choose the connection you set up earlier. Some skills may also ask for additional parameters or API keys. Fill in any required fields before proceeding. Once you've configured everything, click Add and Enable to activate the skill for your clone. The skill will now appear in the list of enabled skills. If you ever need to update a skill's configuration, just click the gear icon next to the skill in the list. You can change connections, update parameters, or disable the skill entirely from the configuration modal. Don't forget to click Save after making any changes. And now, here's that trick of the trade I promised. If a skill ever starts acting up or doesn't respond the way you expect, try disabling it or even removing it with the trash can icon, then add it again, just like the old days when you'd blow on your cartridge video games to clear out the dust. The same goes for connections. If you hit a snag, delete the current connection and create a new one. It's a quick way to refresh everything and get your clone back on track. And that's it. You've now enabled a skill for your clone, learned how to update its configuration, and picked up a pro tip for troubleshooting along the way. In our next how-to video, we'll show you how to trigger your new skill in a real workflow, so your clones can start delivering real results for you and your team. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, our customer success team is always here to help.